Hello Nesties, I'm Princey and welcome back to my channel Angst Cadbury. Hope you all are doing great and hope you all are comfortable out here. So today I'm back with another series in my channel. I have already done a suntan series and of course acne series on my channel and it was a super hit. So if you have not yet watched that series, then I will be leaving the link in the description box down below. Do check it out. So today's series is all about the hair fall series, which was one of the most requested series. Yes, after the acne series and the suntan series, I got many requests for this hair fall series, but I was working on it, and so I took a little more time for video shooting this series because I was testing the DIYs upon myself. It was around I think 3-4 months that I am doing this DIYs, and of course it gave me a good result. So since I was trying this DIYs upon myself, that how I can stop this losing of my hairs, that is hair fall. As you all know that I have an endometriosis problem, and due to this I am under treatment, and due to this medication and all this stuff, and of course the pollution all around here, and since monsoon is here, and of course summers are here, we will be facing more problems because our scalp will be just more damp, or it will secrete the sweat out of our scalp, and it will make our hair fall more adverse. I have got this request. I have been trying this DIYs and these are a thumbs up for me. Seriously, they worked out a lot with me, and of course I have a severe problem of dandruff, and it helped me a lot in treating my dandruff too. For dandruff, I used to use that scalp lotion plus for treating my dandruff. It was actually given referred to me by one of my friend, hostel mate, or you can say my wall mate. She referred me. She is a doctor. She was using this scalp lotion because of a dandruff problem, and I have done a patch test on myself, and I have been using it since 2009. Then also I have my dandruff problem, but these remedies are something that helped me a lot in reducing my hair fall. And of course I can see hairs in my pillow, in my bed sheet when I comb my hair. So I have just stopped combing my hair, because whenever I comb my hair there are hair fall. My maid used to complain how much hair fall you are having because there are hairs all around. But since I have using this remedies, and of course as I have I have started using oil of Patanjali Keshkanti oil, and this has helped me to reduce my hair fall to a lot. And now in this video I will be discussing not in this video but in this series I will be discussing about why are the major causes of hair fall, how we can stop hair fall, how much hair fall is important or how much hair fall is normal. So I will be talking you through this series, so stay tuned to this Friday hair fall series. So every Friday from this I will be uploading hair fall series videos for you guys, and of course it is I have planned these videos and separated it into 6 parts, so we will be needing 6 Fridays for this hair fall series. And in this series I will be talking you through what are the major causes of hair fall, how much hair fall is normal, and of course what is female blondness or blah blah blah. I will be talking, and some things will be a secret because you will be surprised to see that how much I have covered in this hair fall series. So if you're interested in knowing what are the causes that causes adverse hair fall in your body or adverse hair falls of your hairs, then of course do keep on watching. So moving on to today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below in order to stay tuned to Angst Cadbury, and of course hit that bell icon down below near the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video and you don't miss any important video of mine. So now moving on to today's video. Episode of my hair fall series, I will be talking you through what are the reasons of hair fall, what causes hair fall, or what causes premature hair fall in our body. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. And of course in the other episode I will be taking one topic and will be discussing with you, because it is a hair fall series is a huge topic which cannot be covered in one video. So I have scheduled it into 6 videos, and I will be talking through different points points, myths about hair fall, and various other points of hair fall. So stay tuned to this hair fall series in order to treat your hair fall. And along with every topic, I will be discussing 3 homemade remedies. In each episode, I will be discussing 3 homemade remedies by which you can be treating your hair fall at home. And of course, these are Gharelu Nuske and Nani Ka Nuska mainly, because my hairs were something that were long and till the knee length, and I have chopped this because I will be discussing my hair fall or haircut story in some other episode, but I don't want to make this episode too long, so I will be now switching off to today's topic in this episode, that is why we have premature hair fall. There may be various reasons of your premature hair fall or adverse hair fall. The 2 reasons may be because of internal causes and some of external causes. External causes are something that is due to the adverse environmental pollution, and of course by day the pollution is going on increasing. There are not certain measures that can control the pollution. So this is adversing our health and of course causing our adverse hair fall in our scalp or in our body. And next, the internal conditions may be due to your health condition or due to some medication, as it has happened to me. I am under the medication of my treatment of endometriosis, and this is why it causes hair fall in me. Of course, the internal causes may be due to your dandruff, also not the third causes. The internal causes may be due to your dandruff, health condition, medical supplement you are taking, or thus. So their hair fall may be premature hair fall or adverse hair fall may be because of 2 reasons, that is internal factors and the external factors. Stress is something which is unavoidable, and every people in this world is now facing stress, be it stress because of the children, of the office work, or maybe your health issues, anything. So stress is a common problem that we people are facing in people of this generation are facing nowadays. So stress may lead to health problems ranging from minor illness to various life-threatening problems. So taking stress is just unavoidable in our day-to-day life, and it may range in many various health problems, that is a minor illness, to various other life-threatening diseases. So stress is one of the main reasons that causes adverse hair fall or premature hair fall in us in nowadays. Hereditary causes may be also one of the reasons of your hair fall. If your parents are having hair fall, then you may get adverse hair fall or premature hair fall. If both the parents are having hair fall issues, then you may too got genetic disorder and of course have adverse hair fall or premature hair fall. Hormonal imbalance caused due to menopause, pregnancy, periods, or other medications, or you can say thyroid gland dysfunctioning can also lead to hair fall, and so the treatment should be done as soon as possible, because without treating this, if you are going to treat your hair fall, then it may not work. So internal issues should be solved out first, then only we can move on to our treatment of the hair fall. In our fast-moving life, we are opting for junk foods, and junk food may be one of the reasons of excessive hair fall. People who are having eating disorder or don't have a planned eating manner or don't have a scheduled meal, they are more prone to have excessive hair fall or premature hair fall, because the junk food are only food that makes our tummy full, but they are less with nutrients, and the intake of less nutrients will cause our hair to fall more excessively. And of course, junk food is not good for health because they does not contain any nutrients in it, but they can make your tummy full and of course have an issue with the weight gain, as I am having, because I too love junk food. One of the major reasons of hair fall nowadays are the harsh chemical treatments, that is we get through while perming our hair, while straightening our hair, while blow drying regularly. Earlier people used to air dry their hairs and they were not having such a hair fall issues, but nowadays as our life has become so quick and just we don't have time to take our breath, so we are going for blow drying because we don't want our wet messy hair to our office or school. So these are the reasons that may cause, that is our lifestyle is the main reason that may cause our excessive hair fall or premature hair fall. Dandruff is a common problem nowadays. Every one person in this world faces the problem of dandruff. But if it is not treated at the right time, or if it is neglected, then it may cause thick scaly cells in your scalp and may cause your psoriasis. So psoriasis is a disease which is a long-term disease which requires a lot of treatment. So before they treat your dandruff as soon as possible. So as I have earlier discussed that junk food intake helps us in fulfilling our tummy only, but it is not full of nutrients. So protein deficiency can one of the main reason of adverse hair fall or premature hair fall, because our hair is made up of the protein called keratin, and deficiency in this protein may cause adverse hair fall in a person. So make sure to have healthy food and check your diet first. Certain medication may also be a cause of your adverse hair fall or premature hair fall. Medications such as laser therapy, chemotherapy, or any other medication which causes less energy in our body, and thus our follicles are less stimulated and hair growth stops and hair fall increases. So this may be one of the reasons for your adverse hair fall or premature hair fall. So surgeries, childbirth, or any other medication can also cause hair fall or premature hair fall. Yes, after my gallbladder operation, I also got hair fall, and this is because of all the medication. So this may be also one of the reasons for your adverse hair fall or premature hair fall. Last but not the least, anemia is one of the health issues which are observed in various women who have low iron in their diet and are of course suffering from anemia, because as in this condition our blood is not provided with the supply of RBCs, that is the red blood corpuscles, which carry oxygen throughout our body and providing energy to our body. A person facing anemia has low blood corpuscles in their body, and thus oxygen might not be provided to every part of our body, and it does not give our hair follicles enough energy or enough oxygen in order to maintain the growth of our hair. So anemia is one of the major causes of hair fall or adverse hair fall or premature hair fall. So these were all the causes behind why we have adverse hair fall or premature hair fall. So on all these reasons, above all these reasons, there are many more other reasons due to which you have hair fall. So make sure to consult a trichologist before trying any other chemical hair fall treatment or remedies. These are just home remedies which you can try out at home, and before going for any other medical treatment for stopping your hair fall, make sure to consult a trichologist, because they will give you the best reason for why you are having your hair fall, and according to that, after knowing the reason only, you can treat your hair fall. So if your hair fall is due to basically due to all these 10 reasons, mine is basically due to the medication. As I know the cause of my hair fall issues are why I'm having this premature graying or adverse hair fall, so I have opted for this homemade remedies. So if you are not aware of the reason behind your hair fall or adverse hair fall, then make sure to consult with a trichologist as soon as possible, and then only move on to the hair fall treatment. But you can try out this homemade remedies, because they are completely natural and completely available at your home, and you can always trust upon them, and they are having no side effects or any other side effects. So you can try out this homemade remedies. So if you're interested in knowing this homemade remedies, then do keep on watching, and of course I will be discussing 3 homemade remedies in this episode, and in the other episode, in every episode of this hair fall series, I will be discussing 3 homemade remedies. So stay tuned to Ang's Cadbury, and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below in order to not miss any episode of mine. So now moving on to the treatments. For our first remedy, we will be needing a handful of curry leaves and 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. All you have to do is heat some coconut oil in a small saucepan like so, and then add the curry leaves to it. I have added the curry leaves for 24 hours because I don't want the moisture in the curry leaves. I have not sun dried the curry leaves. Make sure you don't dry the curry leaves under the sun. So once the oil is heated up, I will be heating it for next 5 to 7 minutes, and then turn off the gas flame and let the oil cool down. So I will apply this oil onto my scalp and hair. That is, when the oil is cooled out, I will be applying this oil onto my hair and scalp and massage it for next 15 to 20 minutes and leave the oil for at least 1 hour, and then wash it with some shampoo and then conditioner. We can also use this or repeat this process for 2 to 3 times in a week. So curry leaves helps restore melanin, the pigment that gives our hair its natural color in the hair follicles. It is also rich in vitamin B, which is vital for hair growth. The coconut oil in combination with the leaves also make our hair look strong and restore its elasticity. So for our next remedy, we will be using coconut oil and lemon juice, and it is a completely Nani Ka Nuska remedy. So for doing this, what we will be doing is that we will heat some coconut oil in a small bowl like so for a minute or two. We will not heat it up to a highest temperature, but we will just warm it up. And once it is done, we will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to it, and then our next oil is ready for the massage. Lemon juice are rich in vitamin B, C and phosphorus. These vitamins and minerals are vital for maintaining the health of the pigment cells that are present in our hair follicles. While lemon juice keeps our follicles healthy, coconut hair oil on the other hand provides them with nourishment to produce healthy and pigmented hair. So next what we have to do is take a cotton ball and apply this oil onto our hair and scalp with the help of this cotton ball, and then massage it for next 5 to 10 minutes and then leave it for around 30 minutes, and then we can shampoo it as normal and condition our hair as normal. Last but not the least, our third remedy is using neem. Neem has excellent antibacterial properties that help us to get rid of our dandruff. It also ensures the scalp is healthy and promotes hair growth. It also stimulates blood flow to the skin, thereby nourishing the hair roots. Neem is also even found to eliminate hair lice and nits. So all you have to do is boil some neem leaves in a water till the water level comes down to half its quantity. Wait for the mixture to cool down and rinse your hair with this mixture. You can also use this remedy as the last rinse after shampooing your hair. It can ideally be done once every week. One precaution here is that using neem water for hair, especially in the case of dandruff, can cause your eyes to burn. So be careful while using the neem water in rinsing your hair, and ensure it doesn't get into your eyes. So hope this episode of Hair Fall series is helpful to you, and hope I have met your expectation on this episode, because this was one of the most requested video, and hope that I have not made you upset and I have met your expectation. And do let me know your feelings, because talking from one side is not appropriate, and I will be talking and going on talking and making videos for you, and you will be not responding that what you want, what you need from me. Tell me your expectation and do let me know that this was helpful to you or not, and it will be it will help me in improving myself, and of course it will also help me in meeting your expectation. So do leave a comment on this comment section below in order to let me know what you feel about this episode, what are the treatments you like the most, and of course anything you want to talk about. And two-way communication is far more better than a one-way communication. I am making videos talking out with you, and you are just watching the videos and skipping it is not enough, because I am not getting to know that what you like about this video, what you want me to do for you, what videos will want me to put for you, and this is why I get confused sometimes while planning my videos. So make sure to comment on this video, and of course do subscribe to the Ang's Cadbury in order to stay tuned to Ang's Cadbury. Until my next video, love you, take care. Bye, and do share the video, because sharing is caring, and keep sharing, keep caring, and of course this may help others also in treating their hair fall. I am sharing it because it may help others, so share it to everyone, to your friends, relatives, near and dear ones, so that you can help one and get the satisfaction. And you will get the satisfaction when you feel that yeah, it had helped someone. So keep sharing this video. Until my next video, love you, take care. Bye.